Hi guys, I really don't talk too much, but I'll just try to go on live today. This is my first time, so I'll be showing you how I make my polymer flower dangling earrings. As you can see here. So I'll just start then. I don't want to talk too much because I'm a bit nervous today. Yeah, join me. Thank you. So for now, I'm using the pink polymer flower. White pearl beads. So it depends on the size that you want. So I'm using now I'm not sure if this is a 6 mm or 6 mm pearl. This is only plastic pearl, so it's an accessory. And I'm using my flat head pins. This one, this looks like. And jump rings. Stud. I have two kinds of locks here, so it depends on which one that I will use. So this one is the metal one, and then this one is a plastic one. I know this is the rondelle bead. Sorry, rondelle. So here's the back lock, the lock. So let's start. My hands are shaking. So first I'm going to put on the polymer. This one. So I'm making a different design. Instead of using this one, putting the rondelle beads, I'm just gonna put the pink one on the bottom, and next would be my pearl. There you go. Next would be my rondelle beads. That's it. There you go. So I'm going to use my loop pliers, which is this one. I'm going to do a loop. I am not really good in making loops, so just how it is. And then, so I think my wire is a bit long, so I'll just have to cut it off. So if you are trying to make this one, just always remember that if you are cutting your wire, you should be doing this way, or cut it first and then cover it with your hand, just to avoid the metal from jumping into your eyes, you know what I mean. This. There you go. So I made it shorter now, so let's try our luck if I get the perfect loop. Sorry guys, I'm really nervous. This is my first time to go online. I mean, to go live, so just bear with me. So if you are making a loop, just make sure that the end of your wire should be leveled to your loop pliers. There you go. So let's roll it around. There you go. So you see that. And then I'm going to roll it again. There you go. Ooh, done. See that? Oh, got it right. Yeah, so I already made this one. So it still depends on how long is the, what you call this, how long it would be, because some, they can make extensions by using 2 or more jump open rings. There you go. So I have also this one. As you can see, this is a longer version. It's an extended. So I had to put another open wire here. I mean jump ring, open jump rings. There we go. And then this one. Yeah. So short, this one. So I'll go on to the next one, which is same. Putting on the polymer. There you go. Okay, rondelle beads. There you go. And I'm going to cut a bit of it. Oops. This is the trouble when you put all the materials in your head pins and then you cut it. It just goes off. There you go. So I'm going to do the loop. There you go. Nice and steady. There you go. So now I've made a pair of my dangling. So next is I'm going to get this one, my miracle ring. I call it a miracle ring, but it's not really a miracle ring yet. So I'm going to use my flat pliers, this one. And then I'm going to get my jump ring. There you go. So instead of opening your jump rings like that, you should be doing like this. Like you put it inside like that and then open it up sideways. There you go. You can see that. So there's already a space in between. And then next, so I'll just put this one inside the ring and then following in the instruction, like put it back, same like that. So it's already closed. There you go. I'm sorry, I forgot to put it inside with my stud. I'm going to open it again. So now I'm going to put it inside the ring of my earring stud. There you go. Sorry guys, I'm just nervous. There you go. There you go. So I need to close it. There. So I've already done my first pair. There you go. So we'll do again the next one. Don't worry, I'll just make this video a bit shorter because I don't want you to get tired of watching. There you go. Open again. Open the jump ring. Put again the second one inside there. And then the earring stud. Go. Close it. Stopped. Just make sure that the end of it are closed. There you go. So if you are bored and then you just want something to do, like if you love doing crafts using your hands, I advise you to do this because it's really enjoyable. So I already have my one pair of polymer. Actually, my sister called this as a summer earring because of the color, pastel color. This is also good for kids. I mean, yeah. So I'm just going to put on the back lock. See that one. It's very simple, cheap, and easy to make. You don't need to spend a lot of money buying accessories, where you can just buy some materials and then you can make it by yourself. And if you want to open a business, you can also do that. So I'm going to show you all my other designs or other colors. So here we go. I have my orange, my red one with the blue. I also have my yellow mixed with orange. Here you go. I have my purple and yellow. And this one I am using the gold-plated wires, jump rings, and then this one dark pink. Yeah, there you go. So I hope guys you enjoyed this one. So hope to see you again on my next live. I'll be showing you some other projects that I made. Very simple projects, very handy. So thank you for those who watched and then who stayed with me today. So I hope that you follow me for more cute designs. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.